Hey everyone, welcome back to Rex Rooms. I'm Raj, and today something very special happened. Guess what? I finally did it. So actually, I walked into a store in Bangalore and bought my very first proper riding boot ever. Let's open the box right now. Actually, these don't look like riding boots. They look like premium trekking shoes. Honestly, very clean, very minimal. No loud branding, no aggressive motorcycle styling. Actually, coming from someone who was worried riding boots would look weird off the bike, this is exactly what I wanted. Let's check the build quality. It feels premium and it has a premium leather finish, clean stitching everywhere. Nothing feels cheap in it. And yeah, it has a memory foam inside. Some of you might ask, what about the waterproofing? Korda here using HYDRADRY waterproof membrane with 12,000 water resistance. Now, as a Bangalore rider, you all know what monsoon does to us. I have ridden in rain before in regular shoes, soaking wet feet for hours after. Looking at this waterproof membrane right now, I genuinely feel emotional. Where were you all this monsoon, Kodra? Protection. Okay, this part hit me differently. D3O ankle protectors with the C rated. What does it mean? Soft during normal riding, instantly harden on impact. You can barely feel it's there, but it's protecting your most important joint. And I thought I have been riding highways with a zero ankle protection on a regular shoes. But you know, guys, this boot is going to fix everything wrong about how I have been riding. It has dual density rubber sole, feels thick and grippy. It built for both on the bike and off the bike. Highway vibration absorption and trekking traction for someone who does the both rides and trucks during trips. This is literally the perfect boot for me. One boot, everything hand. Okay, the moment of truth. I'm standing in my room right now and I genuinely wanted to cry because I'm realizing how uncomfortable I have been this whole time. I'll give 10 out of 10, definitely. Finally, I feel that it's comfortable. First time riding in proper boot, that video is going to be interesting. Subscribe so you don't miss it. And tell me honestly, how long did you ride before getting proper boots? Until next time, keep roaming, keep riding, Rex roams out.